Hey mi gente, it's Giovanni B. So I decided to just vlog this because my mom is wanting to go and get wet in the rain. So I wanted to document this and see if she's really gonna do it, because if she's not, I'm gonna be really upset. Oh, what the fuck? I hope she does it because she's never done anything like this, not even when we were kids. So if she does do this, I definitely want to document it and show you guys. Right now she's heating up something, but I'm waiting. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she does do it, or else, as I said, I'm gonna be upset. So, Mom, ¿de verdad vamos a nadar allá afuera?
Ahorita.
Alright guys, it's happening.
¿Dónde van? ¿Dónde van? ¡Ey! ¿Dónde van? ¿Dónde van, locos?
Mira, mira, venimos.
Mira. Saca el champú.
Ay, yo también en la casa.
Te vas a enfermar, Angelita.
¡Ay! Okay, ya.
Thank you. Okay, yeah. Alright guys, this was such a short video. I just wanted to document this and remember this forever, and I wanted you guys to also see this. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share to your family, your friends, your neighbors, your dog. Okay, maybe not your dog. Thank you guys. Mwah.